Welcome back to SU Well, today we got a pretty cool set of carburetors. We get a lot of different variants of SUs, and as you guys would all know, SUs were fit on many of the great British cars over time. This is a set of Triumph Dolomite sprint carburetors that came to us. They were really in poor state. I think these have been through a fair few owners and had a lot of work done to them over the years. So, we had a full strip down and assessment, went through the manifold, needed helicoils. It was quite badly corroded through the typical places, through the thermostat housing and stuff like that. But as you see, that's not the original manifold. And luckily, with the Midell side of the business, back in the day, Faber and Midell were special tuning and Leyland dealers, and we actually had a brand new manifold in stock, believe it or not, which we offered to the customer. So with a bit of Louis' magic, these have come back to, I would really say, as good as near as new. The customer wanted the tops, the suction chambers polished, which we've done. But as you can see, these have just come up a treat and look amazing. The car is in full restoration, so the owner is going to make these look great in the engine bay, because as I said, the car will be a concourse car. So we're happy to help out and get these done. And as I said, we're very thrilled that they'll go back to the owner and onto the car and work a treat in the restorations. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.